Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Online. Today, we're discussing the 10 steps to investing success. Think of investing as a 10-step staircase that takes you from one floor to the next. By taking one step at a time, you can reach the top. Skipping steps is risky and the reward increases with the risk of falling as you progress. If you don't take the staircase, you won't be able to reach the next level. Most people have to climb the stairs, which can be longer and more difficult, but it is worth it to reach the top. It's important to focus on your own ascent and not worry about others. Step 1. Start with a small amount of cash, earned through offering valuable services or selling products, or through inheritance, gifts, or other means. This is the starting point for investing. It's important to put this cash in a place where it can start to multiply rather than letting it lose value through inflation. Step 2. Open a simple savings account or mobile money account, similar to a savings account at a bank. This is the first step in the world of investing. A savings account or mobile money account allows you to keep your money in circulation, where it can be borrowed to finance production and consumption and improve everyone's quality of life. It is not helpful to anyone to keep money under a mattress. Step 3. Try a fixed deposit or insurance investment products and unit trusts. A fixed deposit is a type of investment where you lend money to a bank for a fixed period of time, typically a few months to a few years. The bank will pay you interest in return. Insurance investment products and unit trusts are also options at this stage. A unit trust is a type of collective investment plan in which investors pool their funds with a professional manager to have it invested on their behalf. The Capital Markets Authority oversees unit trusts in Uganda. Step 4. Experiment with treasury bills. Treasury bills are a way to lend money to the government for a short period of time, usually less than a year. The government will pay you interest in return. Step 5. Lend money for longer periods of time with Treasury securities. Treasury securities, also known as bonds, allow you to lend money to the government for longer periods of time, up to 20 years. The interest rate is higher for longer periods of time, but there is also an increased risk of falling due to inflation and variable interest rates, which can cause the value of your bonds to fluctuate. Step 6. Invest in domestic stocks on the Uganda Securities Exchange or other regional markets. You may want to try your hand at domestic shares, which can be purchased on the Uganda Securities Exchange or other regional markets. It's important to remember that investing in shares can be more difficult than you might expect, with prices fluctuating greatly and no guarantees. Dividends may also be suspended or not paid at all. Step 7. Try global stocks through a broker or platform. After gaining some experience, you may want to try investing in global stocks on the Nairobi Securities Exchange or other international markets. This can be done through a broker or online platform. Step 8. Consider real estate or alternative investments, such as precious metals and commodities. Real estate and other alternative investments, such as precious metals and commodities, can also be considered as you progress up the investment ladder. These investments can be more complex and require more research and analysis. Step 9. Take on more complex investments as you gain experience and become more comfortable with risk. As you gain experience and become more comfortable with risk, you can try more complex investments such as hedge funds, private equity, and venture capital. It's important to carefully consider the risks and rewards of these types of investments. Step 10. Continue to educate yourself and seek professional advice as you progress up the investment ladder. It's important to continue learning and seeking advice from professionals as you progress in your investment journey. This can help you make informed decisions and reach your financial goals. In conclusion, investing is a journey that involves taking one step at a time and focusing on your own financial goals. By starting with a small amount of cash and gradually taking on more complex investments as you gain experience and become more comfortable with risk, you can successfully navigate the investment staircase and achieve your desired level of prosperity. It's important to educate yourself and seek professional advice along the way. With a little hard work and persistence, you can reach the top of the staircase and achieve financial success. Thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel, Online. We hope you found this video helpful and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.